Since we switched to Fixflo, things have improved dramatically, I would say, especially because all correspondence is in one place. And it's great that contractors are able to comment through the portal as well, so we can see when they're reaching out to tenants. And it's just great, yeah, we can see everything in one place. That was the main reason I believe that we switched. And also our roles within the office had changed. So each property manager would have their own properties that they would manage. So with Fixflo, each property manager would have their own account and properties assigned to them. So that was another reason, I think, why we made the switch. My manager, she'll carry out a KPI each month of outstanding compliance certificates, for example, gas safeties, energy performance certificates, electrical work. So within the planned maintenance, she can easily see clearly the overdue compliance. So that's a really good feature as well. Some people were a little bit resistant initially, just because we were so used to the way we were doing things. And then as time went by and people started learning more and more about the features and just getting comfortable using the system, I think everyone would say that, yeah, they're on board and it's made their lives a lot easier. And I can certainly say that from being a property manager myself. So much time has been saved using the system, and there's no question that it's been great since switching.